I just got some of the AA batteries from EBL. So we will go ahead and test these out, see how good they are. So we'll start out with the voltmeter. And let's see. Alright, so not bad. They're all charged up. So now we'll go ahead and load them up into the battery tester. We will test them out. Alright, and then we'll reset. Alright, and we'll come back and check the milliamps. Alright guys, the results are in. Here we go. So these batteries are rated for 2800 milliamps, and as you can see, none of them are even close to 28. That's a big disappointment. I was actually hoping it'd be kind of closer. So the AAAs that I reviewed earlier, they were off by 1 to 200 milliamps. These look like they're off by 400 milliamps. So much more than I expected. But they are still cost-wise better than the Eneloops, because I believe the Eneloops come out about $2 and some change per cell, whereas these come out like $1 per cell. So half the price and, you know, a little less milliamps. So it's good bang for your buck, but just want to show you guys the results, and these are the cells. So thanks for watching. If you guys have any other questions, let me know.